Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Monday, February the 27th, 2012. What we're looking at here, and we like to use these at emini Day Trader, are the market profiles. So this is today's market profile and volume profile. This over here is what occurred on Friday. The one in the middle here is what occurred overnight. So obviously we had a pretty good sell-off. I think the market closed right about here. Sorry, it was a little lower. Closed about here on Friday. Opened here Sunday evening, had a bit of a bounce, not much, and then started to sell off. By the time it had opened in the regular trading hours down here, it was above our 53 support that we were using last week. Came down and hit it right on the dot, turned around, and basically was bought up for the rest of the day. So we're looking at support around 65 to 66, and resistance around 69. We've been using that resistance for some time. Here are the market profiles from the day session only. In other words, it does not include what occurred in the overnight session. Here's our software showing our trades and indications. As you can see, we had a red filter for just a very short period of time, very early in the day, and virtually the rest of the day was green. So we had a long trade in here. Unfortunately, it didn't quite hit us, missed it by just a tick. You can see that with the up blue arrow here and the dash blue line. We had a short trade here that we did not take because of the green filter and intraday up. The same with this. Another case of going against the grain there. So there was this one here, down arrow, and down arrow. This one here was an up arrow. We got long here, it hit our first objective, but then stopped us out, break even on that trade. This one here we also did not take because of the intraday up auction and the green filter indicating intraday up bias. So the market came right down. You can see the high for today, 70, well, here was our resistance area at 69 going in, and here was our lower support area at 53. So basically hit that 50, well, it did hit 53 on the dot, moved a little bit above the barrier here, a little bit above the barrier here, and came down. So we're looking at support in around this area in here, which is where we're going to be monitoring the market overnight, and the pretty tight area of resistance, or tight area from the resistance to the support. So support 65 to 66, immediate resistance around 69. So I think what we've got to watch for here is the news that'll be released in the morning. And durable goods, Case-Shiller home sales index, and most importantly, consumer confidence at 10 o'clock. Those are all Eastern time releases. If the market likes the consumer confidence number, market could have a nice rally. And if it does move above 69, then we'll be looking at the next target at 76. So it's good to see the market pull back and find some more buyers in this up auction that we've been monitoring here for quite some time. We're always looking at pullbacks to try and get long, and today was no exception. Gave us a great opportunity. Any questions or comments, just reach us at info@eminidaytrader.com. And also, of course, our telephone number is on the website as well. So that's really a quick look at the emini S&P for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.